Hey there! Thank you for watching my new video. It's June already, so I want to make my pages for my bullet journal. And well, for May I just wrote everything down. Sometimes I forgot things, but I did my brain dump and my goals for this month. And I also added some things I just want to reread. So I made a worm hotel with my kids. I thought it was very nice to make a worm hotel with them and put our kitchen scraps in it, and we got some special compost worms and put it in the bins. So I bought 3 plastic bins and drilled holes in it and made a cover for it so the rain doesn't come in. And we put our kitchen scraps in it, and we have to wait until they turn it into compost. So I wrote things down which I wanted to remember and colored the things so I can find it easy what I want to read. And I also made 2 things what I want to sew. I already sewn this one. It's a pen holder for around your book, and I want to make a bookmark out of fabric because I've got a lot of fabric and I want to use up the things I already have. So this is what I added extra in my May bullet journal. And now let's go to June. So this was it for this June bullet journal. So I started over here and I wanted to do a sea theme because well, June, there's where the summer starts, and well, maybe we get to the beach more often, and I thought it would be nice to make some sea theme for this June. So for the monthly and weekly and daily chores, I also added little sea theme to it, a little crab and some sea bubbles and a shell. And for the weekly menu, I made also sea themes and beach themes into my journal, and I really like these stripes over here. I didn't like to make it over here, so it will be very full and dark, or well, a little bit too crowded for me. So this is why I left it open, and I do need to erase the pencil marks over here, but that's for another day. And I already made this one, as you could see in my video, or else the video will be too long, and I don't like too long videos, so I already pre-made this. And my brain dump and my monthly goals, so I need to put that in there. And well, I think I'm gonna use this page or maybe more pages for ideas for my attic, because we have a leakage over here and we need to fix that, so the whole attic will be renovated. And well, I think I'm gonna put my ideas over here, and how I want my hobby room, I don't know if I call it that, but where I make my videos and where I have all my hobby stuff. So it's gonna be on this page or multiple pages. So this was it for June. I hope you liked it, and I'm curious if you are also keeping a bullet journal, and if you are, well, keep it for the whole year. So I already am halfway this year, and I noticed I like the year in pixels. It's trended in April, and I also mostly, well, I know myself, mostly I like to do bigger stuff or sometimes a bigger project, and then sometimes halfway through I just give it up, or I don't like it anymore. But this is just, I just keep forgetting to put in my year in pixels for every day. So this stranded, but I'm happy I already made it to June for my bullet journal pages, so there's progress in it. And I noticed with reading the Bible, you can see sometimes there are multiple days in the same color, so I had to read more days, more Bible verses in just one day, because sometimes I'm busy, sometimes I'm just forgetting it. So I ended at May 13th, so I really need to keep on reading, but that's okay. Sometimes I think it's, for me, it's nice to read multiple days in just one day, because then you get the whole story of the Bible book. So, well, this is it for June, and I wish you a very happy day and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.